हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। और आई थिंक यू आर इन्जॉइंग द वीडियोस जो मैं शेयर कर रही हूँ आपके साथ। होपफुली इन्जॉइंग। और आप वेट भी करोगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो का। आई नो बहुत लेट है, पर अभी तक टाइटल से तो गेस कर ही लिया होगा कि वीडियो में क्या होने वाला है। सो मैं ना बहुत देर से पोएम्स राइट करती हूँ, पोएम सॉन्ग्स और वॉट एवर। मतलब मेरे को राइटिंग का शौक है, तो उसमें ना मैंने काफ़ी सारी पोएम्स क्रिएट की हैं। तो एवरी वन इन माई फैमिली इज़ लाइक कि अब इसको भी कुछ डाल, कहीं तो डाल, कहीं तो एक्सप्रेस कर। इट इज़ मतलब वो कहते हैं कि ठीक है। तो मुझे नहीं पता, आप कमेंट करके बताना कैसी है। तो जो मैं आज आपके साथ अपनी क्रिएशन शेयर करने लगी हूँ ना, वो मैंने अभी अभी लेटेस्ट क्रिएट किया है। एंड इट इज़ कॉल्ड द हैवीनेस ऑफ माई लुक्स। I repeat the title. It is called The Heaviness of My Looks. So, the title well suggests it is about the physical appearance of everybody. And मेरा रीज़न ये पोएम आपके साथ शेयर करने का सिंपल है कि ये पोएम बहुत लोग अपने आप से, अपने आसपास के लोगों से रिलेट करेंगे, स्पेशली गर्ल्स। क्योंकि गर्ल्स तो आई थिंक किसी भी एज में हो, अपने लुक्स किसी को देख के कंपैरिजन आ ही जाता है। ठीक है, टू बी ऑनेस्ट। मतलब अगर आप कहो कि यार ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता मेरे को, तो आप झूठ ही बोल रहे हो। ठीक है, तो मतलब मैं बेनिफिट ऑफ डाउट इस बारे में तो किसी को नहीं दे रही हूँ, क्योंकि ऑलमोस्ट सब गर्ल्स को ऐसा होता ही है। ठीक है, इट इज़ नॉट माई स्टोरी, इट इज़ नॉट योर स्टोरी, इट इज़ ऑल ऑफ अस टुगेदर इन इट। सो मैंने कुछ लिखा है। आई थिंक इट इज़ अ बिट इंस्पिरेशनल एंड अ बिट ओवरवेलमिंग। अगर मतलब आपको पसंद आएगी ये पोएम एंड इट इज़ गुड फॉर द सोसाइटी, you should share the video. Of course it is free, so you share it and it goes public, तो सबको मिलेगी inspiration. And just tell me in the comments how is it. So let's start. Every girl around me looks right, beauty held up tight, sides perfect, no flaws ever noticed, I bet. Right through each time I see them, I feel like a lotus without a stem. Insecurities kick in hard, heartache filling my soul, leaving no part. It is like I can't even hold myself upright. It's like I am the loser, the one left with all hurt and fright. You are too dark, or the aunties didn't have a space for their turned vehicles to park. Or is it your teeth, not spotless white, or your ears, not jeweled upright? Or is it your eyes blinded with their taunts that you can't notice your beauty? Of all people, you, my cutie, look at yourself in the mirror with a pride. Earn enough, you don't have to long to be someone's bride. Someone who comes in your life, makes you his wife, ditches you soon enough, leaving you careerless without even a cough. Did you give up everything for him? Now you are left with tears filled in your eyes up to the brim. Now stop crying over him, stop acting like a victim. Stop stuffing yourself with trash talks, get yourself together, go for a fresh walk. Lift yourself high that you don't get fooled in this trap. Because, my dear girl, getting out of it is crap. Don't believe in perfect, it's all a foolish act. It's if perfect exists as a thing. Believe me when I say this, okay? If perfect exists as a thing, when I find it, I would be the one to run and seal it with a ring. So, this was the poem. Thank you for being so patient and listening to it all. I hope I was not blabbering and you could understand the meaning. And I can explain it a little. So, the first, the first lines of the poem, it is about the comparison every girl goes through. It is like a girl passes by you at a restaurant or just walking by the road and you are driving a car, and you see the girl, she looks right, she has perfect curves and perfect sides and everything perfect and held up right, and you think, am I that good enough, am I that beautiful enough? Means it all revolves around the looks of person. You know, the world today has grown into a rat race. Like, you should look perfect, you should do perfect, and everything perfect. I don't believe in perfect, because I think humans are the idols of imperfectness. If we would be perfect, there would be no God. Understood? I believe in that. So perfect, I think, is only God. I don't believe कि humans can be a perfect for everything. You spot mistakes, you correct them, you go through them again. If you can't correct them, then it's okay na. Just leave it behind and move on. So the first stanzas were about the looks and how the aunties just taunt you about anything, especially Indian aunties. So then it was about being in a relationship, which is marriage. Like, you give up everything for a person, and then it is it is quite overwhelming and everything. I have explained it all in the poem, and just let me know if you enjoyed this way of listening to poem, or you would like me sing one line and then telling you the meanings and everything. Just tell me, and I'll surely look into it and comment how was this video, and would you like more of these poetries or not. I welcome every constructive criticism. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.